Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how you can get the new set on Dress to Impress. So my tips and tricks are, it's easier if there's only 6 players playing, because you'll get more chances to get to like the finals. It is easier if your friend's playing as well, so they can vote for you. Again, you need to dress you need to be able to dress good. That's it. Unless you're in a server where people are voting for their friends, then I don't know how to help you, but um I got the dress without playing like the set, like the full set, 3 wins without the help of my friends. Well, one of them I did get help from my friends, but the rest I just played on my own, and I was able to get all of the set. Also, the fast walk is very helpful, by the way. So probably use that or purchase it if you'd like to. It is also very helpful in the new map because it's huge. So I think I really like the fast walk game pass now. It wasn't very helpful before, but now it's just super helpful if you have it. And if you're confused on the theme, just select this icon instead of going to Google about it. Obviously, I just didn't dress up because I already have the set. I'm just here to help you guys on how you can win the set. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.